Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, it's so good to have you here. My name is Jordan and today we are going to be doing an ab workout. I apologize for the echo. I'm in a completely empty room, so the sound just bounces all over the place, but like I said, we're going to be doing an ab workout together, so I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different exercises that you can do at the end of any workout. So this can be paired with pretty much any workout you want, and it will for sure get your abs burning and help you get to that six-pack or just a stronger overall core. So we're going to be doing the exercises together, and each exercise you will be completing for 30 seconds followed by 10 seconds of rest. So it'll be 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, the entire ab workout. I do also want to mention that today's video is in collaboration with my friend Sophie on YouTube. She makes a ton of amazing skating content and just workout videos, so make sure you go check out her channel. She is the sweetest and she is an international friend of mine, so happy to be working with her on today's video. On her channel, she will be showing you a lower body workout, so you can pair her video with mine and together you have a full workout. So with all of that being said, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Follow all my socials if you want to, and let's get on into this ab workout.
skyscraper, counting the stars like city lights. I don't know where I'll end up later. Maybe lost in the ashes, lost in the ashes. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running from myself. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo in the fast life. I'm a criminal. Yeah, I'm a criminal. Blood on my hands, fighting my demons. It's a war zone inside this jungle, yeah. Trouble follows everywhere I'm moving. Call me a savage, call me a savage. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running from myself. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo in the fast life. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo in the fast life. I'm a criminal. Yeah, I'm a criminal. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running from myself. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo in the fast life. Everywhere I go, in these busy streets, I'm a criminal. Every day and night, moving slow-mo in the fast life. I'm a criminal. Yeah, I'm a criminal.
So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this ab workout. Let me know if you guys try it out, and if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram because I would love to see. Also, when you go check out Sophie's channel, make sure to comment on her video that I sent you. And likewise, if you came from her channel, make sure to let me know because I love getting to know you all. And yeah, if you'd like to see more workout videos on my channel, make sure to let me know just because I want to put out content that you guys enjoy. And that's really all I have. So I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.